In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a step card on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over clear instructions that you have to follow if you wish to link and use your step card inside of the latest version of Cash App. So the only requirement is that you have the app up to date, running the latest version available. If necessary, go over to the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS and update Cash App. Now, to actually set up your green dot card, all that you have to do is open the app like I mentioned, and from the home screen, tap on the user icon that you can see at the top right corner. In there, you will be redirected to your account page, where you have a lot of categories to manage, and one of the categories available when you scroll down is going to be Linked Banks. As the name suggests, this is where you can find the option to manage the external bank accounts currently linked to Cash App, and also the external debit cards or credit cards. Now, all that you have to do is choose accordingly. If you know for sure your step card is a debit card, choose that option. And if you know for sure that it is a credit card, then tap the option to link a credit card instead. If you don't see a specific option, it could mean that your account is not properly verified or activated, and sometimes you might have to link a bank account first. Regardless of where you stand, just make sure that you go ahead and you get the option to link a debit or credit card unlocked. When you tap either of those options, you will then be able to include the card number, the expiration date, and the security code, which is the 3-digit code at the back. Finally, include a zip code, which can be your own billing address, and the card is going to be verified. If everything looks okay, it is going to appear immediately under your linked banks page. Afterwards, you will be able to manage it at any time, and when you choose the option to pay someone, it will be available to be used as the source of the payment. It is also available when you choose the option to add cash to Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Step Card on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.